welcome to my channel. I'm Ariel Micaela and you are my angel. So for today's video, bumili po ako ng USB light. Ayan, dalawa guys. Ito, nawala yung plastic. Ito is ingay na aeroplane. So, ito, dark blue. Ito naman, light blue. So, pero nag-order na ako sa Shopee ng ring light. Yeah. Yan guys. Yan. Ito is dark light. So, try na natin. Ayan na guys, nakailaw na tayo. Ang laki ng pinagbago guys. So, ayan is light blue. Testing naman natin tong dark blue. Kung ano talaga mas maliwanag sa kanila. So guys, I think mas maliwanag to. Lo, uminit agad siya guys. Mas maliwanag ito. Comment down below kung anong mas maliwanag. Itong light or dark. Comment down below. So yun lang guys. Bye! Ay, so wait lang. Testing ulit natin yung walang light. Tapos, testing natin itong lahat. Ito na yung walang light. And go! So, yan yung walang light, guys. Napakadilim. Ito naman yung light blue. Ito na, guys! Ayan yung light blue, guys. Ito naman yung dark blue. Ayan guys, comment down below kung anong mas maganda, yung light or yung dark. Ayan yung dark guys, yan, yung ngayon. Yung kanina, ito. Comment down below, bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!